welcome on back. All right, guys, I really wanted to take the time today to run through my garden. Newer channel, I just wanted to show everyone what I'm about here. So yeah, let's get started. I have this gorgeous spineless prickly pear. She's in full bloom here. When those bloom over and let them dry out a bit, they'll turn into prickly pear fruit, and we'll go ahead and make some good drinks out of those. Down here we'll have an agave native to West Texas. Sharp little daggers there. You don't want it to get ya. Here I have some more native succulent shrub, the ocotillo, native to West Texas, Big Bend area. It's towards the end of the day, later afternoon here. This is the portion of my garden where a lot of the morning sun hits up until about like 1 to 2 p.m., which works really well for a lot of the plants that are placed up here microchromatically. Here you see the silver ponyfoot. I planted about like 2 years ago and just comes out and just swarms this entire front rock bed here. It just amazes me how fast these things just, you know, take over. Sometimes I have to kind of trim it back. It doesn't get too wild. Everyone really loves my orange bird of paradise up here. Not typically find one like this around the Central Texas area. I've had her for quite some time. She gives me these gorgeous bird-like flowers during the fall and winter time. When I pull her inside for the winter, there's a little frost tender here in Central Texas when our little crazy winters happen, and she blooms inside for me. Whew. Now that the sun has gone down a bit, remove the shades. Moving on, planted this little lantana over here, coming out in bloom now with all the rain we've had and some sunshine. Here you'll see the fishhook barrel cactus. I mean, look at that, like, so architecturally just pleasing to the eye. Then you have the Queen Victoria Reginae, beautiful structural agave. Stays more on the small to medium side, so good for you and I. Small garden peeps. Come from the back here. Potted these guys up in this rectangular stone pot here this spring, and they're doing so well so far. They've all kind of bloomed out for the spring. Springtime is cacti flowering time. Oh, see a weed, pull a weed, as I was taught by one of my iconic gardeners, Laura Eubanks. Over here we have what's commonly known as the balloon cactus. She's just filling out there so beautifully. You'll see some flower heads coming upon top of the barrels there. Here are some variations of some yuccas, yucca foliferas, and red yuccas. They're tough plants. In this little rock bed here, I have the Dazzlerium willeri, commonly known as a sotol. You sotol drinkers, this is a plant for a good alcoholic beverage. Continuing on, I have the rest of my front garden here. I have the Mexican Fencepost cactus here. Some beautiful columnar cactus with a little mix of some brake light yucca. And this beautiful columnar cactus here. We have the lavender lady mangave. Gorgeous purple hue to that, guys. Probably my favorite mangave species. Here I have the tree aloe. This one is the, it'll come back to me. As she starts to grow mature more, that trunk, the veins and stuff are just going to be enhanced on that trunk running up. This is the aloe Hercules. Hercules! Anyway, so here we have Foxtail fern, common plant. I just love the color of it. It brings some softness to all these harsh plants. My only palm that I own here, it has stayed out here through some harsh Texas winters in a pot. I'm very proud of it. This is the blue fan palm, scientifically known as the Brya armata. This little variety of smaller succulents, more rare I would say, not your common succulents I would say. I have a few barrels in the front here, some golden barrels. I have the white spine variety here as well. Agave macrocantha. Gorgeous variety there. Let me know what you guys are thinking so far. You know, like this has been a passion and starting this vision, creating this content for y'all. I've been wanting to do this for quite some time. So I'd appreciate if y'all go ahead and subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Let me know how I'm doing. Hopefully good. Let's take you around the side here. Here we have some of the plants that have been here. That's kind of came with the property. I kind of structured them a bit. I like to showcase the multi-trunk at the bottom, giving it like a bamboo effect. Here we have commonly known as the squid agave. I just love how it's just, look at that, like just architecturally, just like all those like tentacles. Behind that, we have my gorgeous pachypodium there. She's grown pretty fast. Kind of got her down to half her size a couple years ago, and she has put on double the height since then. On the side garden here, this is a lot of kind of south mixed with west facing sunlight. These plants on the side here really loves to get a good beating with the sun. So we have the bougainvillea over here. Gorgeous blooms all summer long. She's taking a break right now. She's getting ready to pop all over again. Here we have the Pride of Barbados. I know you Austin gardeners love you a Pride of Barbados. Tough perennial, give us some good drainage soil. Full sun, full sun. Attracts pollinators, butterflies, bees, hummingbirds. Another fishhook barrow here, a yellow variety. I love me a good barrow cactus. Here's more of those nandinas that I kind of shaped up, limbed up a little bit. More of a preference, obviously. Here we have tree yucca. Hardy plant, stayed out here for a couple winters already. Here we have more definitely west facing, gets the late afternoon, sundown, that good intense sun. But a lot of these plants I place more on the back end here, really appreciates that extra sun and can take the beating a bit. Here we have what's commonly known as the blue torch cactus. Absolutely beautiful. That blue just pops against a brick wall, a green backdrop. Talk about color without flowering, right? More sun, the better. It'll appreciate that. The color payoff is better on those when you give it more intense sun. The King Ferdinand agave. I like to call that like the father, the king to the queen. Still has those beautiful white margins, accented with those black teeth at the end. Here I have another stand of the prickly pears, Mexican feather grasses, tough, hardy, drought tolerant, some wisp, softness, and y'all's xeriscapes, hardscapes. Oh man, you cannot go wrong with those. They add some real structural, nice texture to the garden. On a windy day, those things just go wild. Here I have a type of juniper. Blue juniper, blue point, but y'all let me know, correct me in the comments. Continuing my west facing plants back here, I have this gorgeous spineless barrow cactus, spineless blue barrow cactus, Agave brevifolia, a very compact, short, stouted aloe there. She colors up when the weather gets pretty cold. Coming from Madagascar, one of my specialty plants here. I'll go ahead and drop the name in the video for y'all because I don't want to mispronounce the name for that guy. The nice intense sun and a little drink of water will definitely make her leaf out. I have this gorgeous blue shrub. Can't think of the name right now, but I'll post it up with this video, y'all. This is not supposed to be seen just yet. Gonna get a video on this special guy coming soon. So we have this blend of ghost succulent around the bottom here. Man, I planted those just like little one-offs in the dirt last spring, and it has absolutely taken over in 1 year. In the middle here, it's the lady slippers, Petalanthus macrocantha. Gives me gorgeous little lady slipper flowers. These have white sap in them, so you break them, the white sap just kind of flows out. You want to be careful because she could kind of give you a little irritation to the skin there. Then taking what we planted in that first video there. She's doing really well. My special agave there, Agave Orca. Here we have some purple prickly pears, just absolutely stunning, that purple color. They're even more purple when the cold comes or some intense sun hits them and they're pretty dry. So they'll stress out and color up for you. I planted a little colony of Arizona purple rainbow cactus there. Just absolutely stunning, mixed with that purple prickly pear. It's actually all from one center. This pot I don't do anything with. I planted, accented it, top dressed it, and then I just let Mother Nature take care of the rest. Then over here, call this my top tough collage over here. I have my Yucca rostrata planted here. I have the Nolina Nelsonii or something like that. This is my Mama Jamma here. Big golden barrel cactus. She probably needs a repotting soon. She's really exceeding outside that pot. Still thriving. Here I have what's commonly known as the Argentine saguaro. Just absolutely another stunner there. One of the more hardier, tougher columnars. I left these out here during some winters and some frosts, and they're just excellent. Not even a bother in the world. That's why they're called succulent. They give them a little dirt and they will do what they're gonna do. Let me know what you guys think. If there's any pointers that y'all have, let me know down in the comments. Go ahead and get to planting, y'all, and we'll catch you next time. Bye, guys.